Let's dance in style, let's dance for a while. Heaven can wait, we're only watching the skies. Hoping for the best, but expecting the worst. Are you gonna drop the bomb or not? Let us die young or let us live forever. We don't have the power, but we never say never. Sitting in a sandpit, life is a short trip. The music's for the...
Okay, so hi Team Magaling, thank you so much for your time that we spent together, even though it's a short period of time, but it was so remarkable, especially when katong time na katong pagbudos ko ninyo sa crowd, and I never expect that I will do that in front of you. And then sa katong after atong during katong isasahon ko ninyo it was so embarrassment, but it was so na-enjoy gyapon ko bisag uwang para lang ato maka what are gonna memories together. And sa to katong sa inyong kuan first impression sa inyo sa kuan, and first day after kay murag kuan I gave you like a poker face. Ingon pa si ingon pa si alam mo ko sa name, I forgot, basta ingon to siya ka poker. I gave you a poker face that time, but katong na time is not all ba to as guess kuan mo naghandgan mo ato na time, and I was so give you an entrance of very strict na kuan pagka kuan. And so at that, behind those memories kay marag kanang na mawa ako pagka nonchalant, even though na kailangan din ako ang attitude is kanang strict but I need to be like extrovert with you, and I was happy and proud na beside katura na time na nag-banding ta, but for me it's hindi siya malimutan as in never be forget, and I will be forever cherish those memories na we built together, even though it's nagamay ra gyud tag time na I know na some of you are limingaw sa akong subject, and I add others na ni-appreciate sa akong mga teachings, even though na marag madili kayo na ko na wala na ko na grabe akong more of reporting sa tutatan. And I am rooting for your success and good luck to your college journey, and Surhan STEM Magaling.
Hello STEM Magaling, this is Miss S, your MIL teacher. For a short period of time, I was able to witness students who are very determined in learning. And as a teacher, it really makes me happy, because actually it is every teacher's dream to have students like you who are willing to learn, always willing to learn. But let me be the one to remind you guys to not forget to have fun. Reward yourselves for every win, mapa-big win ba na or small wins, because you guys really deserve it. You know, especially in college, it may be difficult, but so is life. So please, do not forget and always remember to rest. You know, if you feel pressured, stress in your studies, rest lang jud ang kinahanglan ninyo. So that's all. I am glad to meet you all, and I wish you all the best in life. Till we meet again.
Hi everyone, good day. I just want to start my short message with a simple gratitude. Thank you for the 5 months, for the memories that we shared along this journey. I know it has been a roller coaster ride with you guys, Thank you for making my first experience of teaching memorable, fun, and full of learning to grow. I may not be your favorite teacher, but I just want you to know that I did my best. I gave my best just to impart valuable lessons to you. Not just lessons from the internet, from the paper, but life lessons that will help to shape you as a better individual. Congratulations again to all of you for making it through. I know it has never been easy to come this far. Sleepless nights, silent cries, breakdowns, bombarded paperworks, but with your dedication and passion, you really made it possible. May the God Almighty continue to guide you and lead you to where you are meant to be. I know after this graduation, some of you will pursue to college, some of you mangita og work, and whatever path you will take, wherever you will go, di man jud malikaya na mga problema, mga pagsulay sa life, but I just want you to know nga, padayon. Mas piliya ang padayon despite sa mga struggles, sa mga problem inyong encounter along the way. Kay despite or behind ang struggle, nainindot nga puhon ka ng pabo. Pagsulay ra na para mas maghimo, mas makusgan ka, mas malig-on ka, para i-ready ka sa imuhang mga panghanggun. Praying for your success, everyone. God bless you onto your next journey. As I will end this short message, I just want to leave you a reminder. Put God first and you'll never be last.
Hello everyone, hello to my grade 12 STEM. It was truly a roller coaster ride. We had 10 months to be together, and actually I would say that it was actually worth it. I was so happy. It made me happy, and it was so fun. Actually, to be honest, I might not be able to say it like oftentimes, but children, like I really had fun. Like truly, from the bottom of my heart, I really had fun. I wish now we could actually have more time that we can spend together, because I really want to make a lot of memories. I really like your class. Like I know like something happened before, and actually that made things maybe a little bit different, but actually I was so sad. Like I was so sad because truly I really like your class. Like I regret that happened, everyone. Like there are actually a lot of times, like really a lot of times where I'm actually just sitting, and then like I hope we had more time to be together. Like there are actually times, let's for example, magkita pa sa akong mga students before, I actually brag about you. I always tell them na nice yung section though, because they're actually really good. You bright, like they're like same with them, like the vibe and all that stuff. That's why many times maglingkod lang ako, and wala, sometimes I'm sad thinking we'll be departing from each other. That's why maybe right now I'm gonna request, I hope in the future, everyone in the future, you're gonna miss me, and maybe you're gonna visit me. I hope it's not a maybe, because I really like you visiting me in the future, and maybe in the future I can maybe treat you to somewhere, and I'll pay for everything, because I can do that. I mean, I will do that for you, everyone. That's how important you are, and I hope everyone will do good in the future, and I hope made an impact into your lives, because that's really my goal. And I'm actually biased with my class one. I always have that one, and I hope what do you call that one? I hope that you will cherish all the things I did for your class, because everyone, I really did those things for you. Like, let's say for example, there are actually things that I asked you to do, but like it's actually quite different from others. I actually did it. It is for you, everyone. Like I really tried so hard. I really tried my best to actually provide you the best education you can have, because you can only be together for 10 months in the classroom. You will have your own life, and even though it's sad, but actually it's a reality now. And I hope you really learn from me, and I hope that it's so much. Going back with our class, and I love you so much, guys. Really, from the bottom of my heart, I will forever cherish you. Like, I know, like it's so late now, because It's only the last 2 months you get to start reconnecting like really stronger. Like I know it's just for a short time, but truly I want you to be in my presence for a longer period of time. We cannot stop it, man, because you also need to grow. So yeah, so I'm just gonna say this message. If God forbids, I would really love to stay with you forever. I would really like to make more memories with you. It's always sad actually to say this message. I won't actually say it's a verbal message, everyone, but I just gonna say that it's a message that I want you to hear. I truly like your class. I truly want your class. If we can spend more time together, I will really do it. I will risk a lot of things for it. Like truly, I will risk a lot of things for it. So yes, guys, thank you very much. It was fun 10 months with you. Really fun 10 months with you. I would truly remember all of you. Yeah, with the fingerprints, of course. Yeah, but there will be like an important event, maybe in Marina in the future. I will surely invite you all. I'll promise that one. I will surely invite you all. Walang leave sa GC because mine's still HP daw. Malig sa GC. So yep, thank you very much everyone. I hope you will have a good moment in your future careers. If you will be successful na, I hope. Maybe like, support lang yun, may do, you message me, and then maybe banding in the future. I would truly love that. Any of you will call me, text me, and if I'm free, I would gladly accept it and go there. That's how important you are to me. So yep, thank you very much for coming into my life, guys. You are so amazing, like truly, you're so amazing. A lot of you are actually very talented, very great minds. Like nothing a teacher could actually ask for. So yep, you deserve all the laurels and golds, everyone. Congratulations in advance sa inyong graduation. And I will truly cry during that day because I will be remembering we'll be departing from each other. But everyone, despite na mo depart na to from each other, maybe lagi na to or places, always remember you'll always have a big space in my heart. And that will be forever. Truly, your class is really different. Thank God for having me. Thank you everyone. See you around, guys.
Hi 12 Summers. Kalit-kalit kini siya video, no? But I want to say thank you very much, Yud, for everything sa atong 10 months nga atong panaguban, with all the laughters, with all the tears, with all the joys and the disappointments and frustrations, with all the kanang 10 months nga nag-join ta. We've learned a lot, we've grown so much, and we hope that all things or mga essential things and values nga atong nakatunan yun sa room sa atong panaguban will bring with you throughout your lifetime. And as your advisor, as your second father together with Sir Archie, as one of your subject teachers, I commend you for a job well done. And I hope that after graduation, don't think that it's the end. So it's a beginning. It's a beginning for everything. Okay, for the endless possibilities that awaits you. Sa college, to those nga wala na don't have any plans sa college, don't worry because life's not a race. You know, you have your own timeline, you have your own pace, and don't be pressured if most of your classmates are already moving forward, and don't think na you're stagnant because always think and always bear in mind that God has planned for each and one of you. And yeah, it's kind of emotional for me, everyone. Okay, it's my first time handling so many students with, with different personalities. different colors, different point of views, and that's what makes you special. Even though I'm not an expressive person, everyone, but I am deeply, truly, and sincerely proud of you all. So, thank you for being part of my second year, my second year in teaching. You hold a special piece in my heart. So you're very special to me, to us, teachers. Even though sabaan kayo mo, even though magreklamo kayo dagan kayo mga projects and whatnots, even though dagan kayo mga stressors, you did not forget to smile, and that what makes you unique to others. And as this chapter comes to a conclusion, I want to please don't forget sa mga lessons nga atong na-learn, sa mga values nga atong na-learn, atong na-share sa atong open forum, because intelligence is a secondary na siya sa inyong attitude and values. So what makes you a person are your values and your dignity as a person. As long as wala kay gitapakan nga tao, as long wala kay ikanan nga gidautan, then you really live a peaceful and happy life. So, college is a really hard chapter. It's a really hard journey. But as long as your friends are with you, I know and I am confident that you can succeed. You can succeed with genuinity and sincerity. So sa ako mga boys, Jared, Alex, and others, name it all. So ayaw pag dali-dali sa uyab, because we don't want to uyab, pero just don't forget the academics, okay? So please live a wonderful and a meaningful life. Okay, even though daily luxurious ang life, as long as you are indeed doing good things, then it's a really beautiful life to live. Sa ako mga girls, sa ako mga sabaan nga girls, mga OA and nonchalant, sa ako mga OA, silang Shane, silang Kisha, silang Kiana, silang Kathleen, and sa ito mga nonchalant, silang Luisa, Joely, I hope and I pray for your success, and I hope what you choose in the next chapter will predetermine your future. So again, congratulations, and I'll be missing you, Stemmers, as your second father and your advisor. Thank you very much for everything we've shared, for the thoughts, for the laughters, and I hope na magkita ta. Walay mag-snap-snap, because I'll be happy if you will be successful in life. We will be happy, Mr. Archie. You become a better version of yourselves, and that's the most precious gift nga among ma-receive yun all throughout sa among teaching journey. I will never forget you. You will be special. You will serve as a special piece of our hearts, and hopefully you'll find a true happiness and success in the next years to come. So laban lang sa life, and I love you all. I love you, sir. Thank you.
Bumper climb for Swift. Bumper climb for
Take 3, 2, 1. Where'd all the time go? Starting to see how the hands go, waving goodbye. You know I get so forgetful when I look in your eyes. Now she's walking backward through her and I'm stuck in the shadows, rocking the shade. There ain't no way to sweep up the mess that we made. She gets dressed up like a pillow, so she's always in bed. Flowers for the sick and dead. She's on the go, way too fast and way too slow. She'll turn the stone, the hospitals and funeral homes. And when the there's nothing to keep you from falling in love. It starts at the bottom. It comes
Hello, steamers. Congratulations. Kaya nakaya ra gid ninyo. Then, happy ang inyong graduation. And good luck to your new journey and always pursue your dreams. Bisan unsa pa na ang challenges nga moabot sa inyong kinabuhi. Kaya remember, dili mo tagsigad og challenges nga dili nato kaya. Ug way ra na siya para mas mahimo kang lig-on. Okay? And sorry if nagunaw na ko gawa. Love you all. OA.
Scouts! Good luck sa journey ninyo.
Hello, Stem Magaling. You're really the Stem Magaling that I know from the start. Good luck for your future endeavors, and I'm so happy of all your achievements. See you around.